new cat. I got it yesterday.
Oh, what a pretty little kitty. What's his name?
I didn't name it yet.
Oh.
That's the best part, naming it. Maybe I'll name it Fluff Fluff or Luffy.
Fluffy, hello Fluffy.
Or Keo. That's a good name. Keo? No, or Keo.
Me. Fluffy. Fluffy. How about Greasy? I used to have a cat named Greasy.
What did it do? Did you name it because it did something?
Yeah, it was gray. I did it because it was being gray.
You can call this Gray. Gray and white. Hey, I can name it White Feet. White Paws. Yeah, that's a good name, White Paws. Or Soft Paws, because we're all soft with paws. No, it's not. See, look, now he got mad at you with eyes opened. I really did ask you to set that. No, I didn't get mad at me. Now, Phyllis paws. Phyllis paws it soft. It's getting mad at you.
Yeah, agree. Okay. What cute.
See? Dad, we gotta get it a collar, see?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Because you know how I know it doesn't belong to somebody? Because then it would have a collar if it belonged to somebody.
Well, maybe the Easter Bunny will bring him a collar.
Pussy doesn't have a collar, but Pussy comes back home. This kitty never comes back.
How many kitties do you have at your house?
That's
Alyssa?
why I need 5.
What? How many kitties do you have at your house? 4.
How about the 5th one? The 5th one ran away. Oh. What was his name? I think you know. No, I don't. I don't know which one. That I really care about? Sammy. Sam ran away. He was such a cute little kitty.
Oh. Maybe he didn't run away. Maybe he went over somebody's house and some little girl fed him. And he says, I like this food better than your food. And he never came back. So that's why you should always feed kitties the best food you can.
We should feed this one tuna then.
Well.
Then it would really like us.
Well, I don't think we have to go that far, but we'll feed him something good.
Like cat food. That reminds me, we need to buy this kitty toys. And cat food.
Well, you want to call up Mom and tell her to get cat food? Mom just went shopping.
All right,
We'll catch you. Okay.